Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to share files from iPhone to laptop. So the first thing you have to do now is make sure that the laptop that you want to send the files to is connecting into the same Wi-Fi that you connect to. So after that, after the laptop already connect with the same Wi-Fi with you, you just need to go open your Google Chrome. So here, and after that you just need to type in the search button, or you just need to go click this pause button to create the new tabs and type a snapdrop, and you just need to go click it. Now you just need to click this first part of it to access the snapdrop, and now you already have the snapdrop. And now the laptop that you already opened the snapdrop that you want to send the files to has already appeared here. So you just need to set, or you just need to open the snapdrop on the laptop that you want to send to have an access to send the files to them. And after that you just need to click the address, and after that you just need to choose the sources of the files that you want to send. And now you just need to go click it and go click add. And now you just need to wait until the laptop is accepting your files, and whenever it's accepted, then the process of the sending file will be like running, and that's the way how you send the files from iPhone to laptop. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Hopefully next we can show you the other tutorial. So see you for the next video.